As a production supervisor, I'm in charge of keeping our manufacturing operations moving in the right direction at all times. With multiple manufacturing lines in multiple rooms, relying on paper records to do that is like driving a car while only looking through the rearview mirror. I can't see an issue until the paper records are filed and I can read through them. By then, well, it's too late. We can lose an entire day's work, and there's no time to improve operations because we need to focus on getting the next lot right. MasterControl Manufacturing Excellence puts all the information I need right in front of me, in real time. Now I can see what's happening on every line and every room on the shop floor, all with the simple check of our monitors, while I'm out on the floor or in my office. Now I can detect issues as they're happening, so we can stop the line, fix the problem, and move forward. For our business, that means less scrap, fewer deviations, and much higher efficiency. For me, it means I have the visibility to make smart decisions faster. In other words, I got the pedal to the metal and my eyes on the road ahead. Ooh, tacos.